as we continue our journey through the windy, snowy roads of the Lofoten Islands. On the way to the town of Å, we will hike great peaks, smell dried fish, and visit the most famous bridge in Norway. We are going to hike Kvalvika beach. Start of the trailhead here. Follow us as we make it to the top. This is the most beautiful hike in Norway, one of the most popular ones to do in the summer to get all of your Instagram shots. Alright, so we're about this high up, however long that's taken us. And obviously you can see we're as prepared as always for this winter hike with our lack of snowshoes. We also realised that we have about 200 millilitres of water between the two of us. Luckily, we have found the freshest water you can find in Norway. See, there's a nice layer of algae. That's how you know it's the good stuff. Oh, it tastes beautiful. Alright, started as 3, quickly became 2, and in the last 300 to 500 metre ascent, it is now one man on a mission to give you the view of the best beach in Norway during winter time. I'm here to show you you don't need all that fancy stuff to get outdoors. You think the Vikings had that when they climbed this mountain to bury their treasure? No, had exactly what I had. Snow in the boots and a determination to do things people tell you can't do. I realised I gave the bag with the water to Taro, so I resorted to eating snow because it's actually really warm with that sun coming down and I'm really thirsty. The Paris of the North, they call this place. Whoa. To everyone watching, we made it during the winter. Avalanche risk be damn. Yeah, look, it was stupid to come up here, especially without proper equipment, snowshoes and all the rest of it. 100% admit that. But when you see the view that you get up here, all of those worries, they just disappear. Got a little roadblock on the way to our accommodation in Ryten over there. So there's actually a truck that was stuck there. We've been here for about an hour just waiting for these trucks. Oh, good activity. Lights are on. Lights are on. I think the truck's reversing. Wait. It's reversing back. Oh, it's been cleared now. He's going through.
I don't know what those two trucks are gonna do.
We are through.
Maybe
he can pass this one.
Beautiful. Now we're flying the drone here in beautiful Ryten in Lofoten Islands. The drone is about 28 meters up, and I can tell you the view
view from up here is insane. We don't have to hike. This is what it's called, a shortcut. You see this view? You don't have to waste 3 hours hiking up. I'm not trying to offend hikers or anything, but just to say, if you want to, what's it called? How do you say that? If you want a quick time to see everything here, definitely get yourself one of these drones. You can't go wrong with them here. Alright, we made it to the southernmost tip of the Lofoten Islands. Woo! This is the town called O. It's spelled A with an O on top. But as far as you can see, it's just fjords, beautiful mountains. Look at this.
Alright, we are here in Njosfjord. It is the most well-preserved and oldest of the fishing villages here in the Lofoten Islands. It is absolutely stunning. It's got the well-preserved red cabins. #1 place to come and see them. This place receives 60 to 80,000 visitors annually, but it only has 28 full-time residents. During the winter months, they're hunting for that Arctic cod, which is, the main industry here. And during the summer months, you can smell the dried fish going. But the residents don't mind because they don't think of the smell as fish, they think of it as the smell of money.
Now coming up on the most famous bridge here in Lofoten Islands, you get that view, which is the red cabins with the mountains in the back with a big fjord over here. So here is the most famous viewpoint that you can get here in Lofoten Islands. And I gotta say, it's 100% worth it. So I'm out here in Hamnøy Bridge. They just left me and I'm looking for a lift. I just want to see if I could get a hitchhiking. Oh, hey, are you guys going down south?
Yeah. We're actually going towards Croatia.
Oh, any chance I could catch a lift? Maybe even just halfway?
You want to come for the whole journey?
If I hop in the back? I just found these kind strangers who gave me a lift right next to Hamnøy Bridge, which is quite convenient. Let me introduce you to my hosts. Can we have your name for the audience, please?
Mä en puhu englantia. Sorry.
So at that point, guys, she started speaking Finnish. So I think we will stop this vlog right now and hopefully get to know my hosts very well. I'm gonna see if I could catch a lift with them all the way to Croatia. But I'll catch up with you guys once they drop me off.